Welcome to the another video of rational numbers. In previous video we studied commutative property and closure property for whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. In today's video we will study about associativity for whole numbers and for integer under 4 operation as we did in previous video under addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And we see whenever we change the order of rational numbers or integers or for whole numbers, division always does not satisfy commutative property and subtraction, but addition and multiplication always satisfy commutative property. Let's check associativity for whole numbers. So this is rational numbers. This is video number 8. Sorry, 9, I guess 9. So today we are going to study property associativity. For two type of number, whole numbers and for integers. Under 4 type of operation: addition, multiplication, division and subtraction. Let's check for whole numbers. Let's two whole numbers. No. I should say about first what is associativity. Associativity means association, make group and do operation. Okay, and until now we saw only two numbers. We saw operation under two numbers with two numbers, but here in associativity we have more than two numbers, and we will check associativity property. Okay, associativity means first make group, then do operation, then change the group and do operation and check answer will same or not. So as example, you will get to know what is associativity property and how it does satisfy or not. For whole numbers, let's take three whole numbers, 1, -2 and 3. And first we check addition, whether addition satisfy the associativity property or not. So first 1 plus -2 plus 3. In this, as I said, associativity means make group. Let's check for this group. 1 and -2. Here we have to not change the order of numbers. Okay, in addition you change the order of numbers, then it's okay, the answer will not change. But in subtraction and division, if you change the order, then answer will also change. Okay, so in associativity, do not change order, make different groups. Different means if you have 3 numbers, then you can make 2 groups. You have 4, then you can make 2 groups. Okay, but to check associative property, you should take 3 numbers. Okay, in exam you are asked that if you have question that prove the associative property for addition with whole numbers. Then you have to do this. Take any three whole numbers, make groups and check whether answer will change or not. Firstly, what does it means? What does it mean make groups? Group. Okay. Firstly, I have made this group 1 plus minus 2. Then what I have to do? I have to do that if I make a group of this, then I have to operate this first. I have to get answer of this first. Okay. So 1 we know, plus into minus, minus 2 plus 3. Okay. Firstly, I give importance to this bracket, this parenthesis. Okay. Firstly, I solve this. I get this answer, and further I move. Okay. So first, whenever we have two numbers, one positive, one negative, then we do subtraction, and answer, then sign of answer will depend on sign of bigger number. So we know that one positive, one negative, then we do subtraction. So subtract small number from bigger number. So 2 minus 1, 1, but answer will minus. Why? Because bigger number, 2 is here, 2 digit, bigger digit is 2, and 2 has minus sign. So answer is negative. Then plus 3. And now this is simple, as we did it in previously. So one positive, one negative, then again we do subtraction, subtract small number from bigger number digit. Okay. 3 minus 1, 2, but here answer will not negative, because here bigger digit has plus sign and small digit had minus sign. So sign of answer will because sign means this 1 minus and plus. So sign of answer depend on the sign of bigger digit, not number. This minus 2 is number, but digit is 2. Okay, here digit is 2. What I mean by digit? Digit means only this 2, not with sign. Okay, here whenever I tell about digit, then you have to assume this 1 and 3, not with sign. But whenever I say number, then you have to assume with sign. This number 3 means this plus 3. This minus 1 means minus 1 number. But whenever I talk about digit, if I say subtract small digit to bigger digit, then you have to subtract bigger small one from bigger one. Okay, so 3 minus 1, 2, but here answer remain positive because bigger digit has positive sign. So answer is 2. Now take this same minus 2 plus 3, and now do not change the order, and now make this group. Make group means firstly you have to take process over here. Okay, firstly you have to get answer of this first, then plus 1. So 1 plus, now minus 2 plus 3, minus 2 plus 3. Here one negative, one positive, we have to subtract. Now subtract small digit to bigger one. So bigger one is 3 and small one is 2. So 3 minus 2, 1. But sign, what will the sign of this 1? Think about it. Yes, plus, because bigger digit has positive sign. So 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So here see the answers are same after making two different groups. Firstly we have made this group, and first and secondly this, then answer will not change. And you are thinking that we can also make group of 1 and 3, but in associativity you have not to change order. If you make group 1 and 3, then you change the order. Okay, you change the order. So whenever you are asked that prove the associative property, then always make a group of first two and then second two. Okay, making group means firstly you have to proceed with this two terms which are in brackets. Okay, then get off this answer and then proceed further. Okay, so this is for plus, and from this we can see that plus satisfy associative property. Now let's check for subtraction. So we will take same numbers as we took previously, 1, -2 and 3. Now we are checking associativity for subtraction. So test it. Now as we did previously, make first group Mava for this 1 and -2. So proceed with this -1 -1. Okay, this are in multiplication. So minus plus 2 -3. 1 plus 2 3 -3. 3 minus 3 0. Okay, 0 has not plus sign or minus sign. 0 is neutral without sign. The 0 is 0. Now make another group. This sign will not in this group. Okay, so 1 minus. Now we have two negative numbers. Whenever we have two negative numbers, then we do addition. Okay, so 1 positive 1 negative, then we do subtraction. 2 negative, then we do addition. 2 positive, then we always do addition. So 2 negative numbers we do addition. 2 plus 3 5, but before proceed further, again check. Answer is not 5, answer is -5, because bigger digit has minus sign. So 1, again minus into minus plus, 1 into 5, 1 plus 5 6. Then see, answers are not same after making different groups. So for subtraction is not associative. Okay, subtraction is not associative. Okay, addition is, but subtraction is not. Now for multiplication. We again take this same numbers, 1 -2 and 3. Now take multiplication of this 3. So first we make group of this and this. So multiplication, whenever in multiplication 1 positive 1 negative, then we do multiplication, but answer will negative. Okay, here we have to not check that bigger digit have negative or positive sign. In multiplication, remember, in multiplication 1 is negative, 1 is positive, then answer always is negative in multiplication. But if you have here addition, then you have to check bigger then you have to check sign of bigger number. But in multiplication, 1 is negative, 1 is positive, then always answer will negative. So 1 is positive, 1 is negative, because if you forget to assign the digit, if you forget to assign sign of answer, then total answer, final answer will change. Okay, and you will not have full marks of that sum. Okay, so 1 into -2, then 3. 1 negative, 1 positive, do multiplication. 2 3s are 6, -6. Now, change the group. 1, -2, and 3. Now, take this group. So, 1, 3 2s are 6, and 1 negative, 1 positive, in the between multiplication. So -6. Then see, after making this different groups, we have same answer. So multiplication is associative. Now turn for division. Again we take same numbers. So first we make group of these two. So 1 divided by -2. Okay, we do not take division 1 by 2, but we write this division as 1 by 2. 1 by 2, and this minus, so minus sign will assign to this numerator 1, then division. Then now this division can be written as in numerator -1 by 2 and denominator 3. And again remember this, that denominator of numerator always come into denominator. Okay, so -1, 2 into 3. So answer is -1 by 6. Okay, now change the order and we will check answer will remain same or not. So 1 divided by -2 divided by 3. Now we took this to group firstly. So 1 divided by, this division can be written as -2 by 3. For this division we can written as, before division sign we write number at numerator and after will at denominator. So denominator of denominator always come at numerator. So 1 into 3 -2. So answer will, this minus sign will be assigned to this 3. So -3 by 2. Then see, answer will not say, answers are not same after making different group. So division is not associative. Okay, division is not associative. So this is for whole numbers. Okay, we checked associative property for whole numbers. In next video we will check associative property for integers. Okay, for integers, and we will get same result in addition and multiplication. For integers are associative, but subtraction and division are not associative. Okay, and we did mistake. What is it? In whole numbers, minus numbers, negative numbers are not included. So change the heading. Okay, this is for integers. In next video we will see for whole numbers. Okay, I did mistake very badly. Okay, this is for integers. Okay, because I have took this -2 and negative numbers are not included in whole numbers. Whole numbers start from 0 and include 1 2 3 up to infinity. So this is for integers. Okay, for not whole numbers. Okay, I am changing the title. Okay, this is for not for whole numbers, but this for integers. Okay, I always forget this. Okay, so remember, this is for integers. In next video we will see for whole numbers. Okay, scenario will same. So stay connected with me.